Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Digitalis is used in the treatment of acute heart failure. It can also be used with long-term maintenance therapy. If congestive heart failure is associated with atrial fibrillation, in atrial fibrillation it is used to in atrial fibrillation it maintains the ventricular rate. It maintains the ventricular rate in atrial fibrillation. Which of the following drugs prolong survival in a patient with congestive heart failure? Losartan will provide prolonged survival in a patient with congestive heart failure. A patient with atrial fibrillation on digoxin therapy. Which of the following responses do you expect? Digoxin will actually control the ventricular rate. It will control ventricular rate in atrial fibrillation patients. So, because it controls the ventricular rate in atrial fibrillation patients, the frequency of atrial fibrillation may actually increase, but it will increase. There may be increase in actual frequency of atrial fibrillation, but it decreases the ventricular rate.
thank you and thank you for watching.